Hi, welcome. This is Chiranjeevi. The today's topic is multiplication by 5. Now we go for some problems. First one, 46 into 5. See here, for this, if I multiply and divide by 2, it will become 46 into 5 into 2 divided by 2. In the next step, 46 into 5 into 2 will become 10. So this will be in the form of 460 divided by 2. What is 460 by 2 is 230. See here, if we need to multiply by 5, just you need to multiply and divide by 2. So 5 into 2 will become 10. So multiplication of 10 with any number will be very easy. And also dividing by 2 is also very easy. So now 342 into 5. Same procedure, 342 into 5 into 2 divided by 2. So this will become 342 into 5 into 2 will become 10 divided by 2. So 342 into 10 is nothing but how much? 3420 divided by 2. So the answer will become 1710. Dividing by 2 is very easy, and multiplication of 5 into 2 is 10, and multiplication of 10 into any number is also very easy. Next problem, 2452 into 5. 2452 into 5 into 2 divided by 2 can be taken as 2452 into 5 into 2 is 10 divided by 2. So if you multiply, you will get 24520 divided by 2. So dividing by 2 will become 12260. 12260. So here multiplication of 5 will be very easy when you multiply with 2 and divided by 2. So multiplication of 5 into 2 will become 10. So multiplication of 10 into any number is very easy. And if you divide it by 2 is also very. So now we go for one more problem, 12450 into 5. So this can be taken as 12450 into 5 into 2 divided by 2. So it will be in the form of 12450 into 10 by 2. So multiplying by 10 it will become 124500 divided by 2. So if you dividing, you will be getting very easy. So it will be 62250. 62250. So the next one, 34562 into 5 can taken as 34562 into 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 will become 10. So 34562 into 10 divided by 2. 34620 divided by 2 will become 1728 172810. 172810. So the next one, 78264 into 5 can be taken as 78264 into 5 into 2 divided by 2. So it will be 78264 into 10 by 2. So it will be 782640 divided by 2 can be taken as 391320. So here very important, if we need to multiply by 5, you just multiply by 2 and divided by 2. So multiplication of 10 into any term, any number will be very easy, and division of any number by 2 will also be very easy. So thank you. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Yours Chiranjeevi. Thank you.